Hello guys, this is another sound test I'll be doing for the speaker here. Sony XP22 here. Are you playing it with active mode here? Also, you can turn up in total power of it. This is the bonus one here. Is Sony playing here? I know copyright sounds here. Nope, you can't have all the ads on here, sorry. Yeah. Here we go. That weighs about 50% by the way. Live mode now. Makes everything much more spacious. This far away from it. This sounds pretty good out here actually, it does sound pretty good. But what? Check volume. Still sounds pretty good. It still let this run pretty well. And it sounds pretty good, the bass is pretty good. So overall this sounds clear, clean, loud, nice. No distortion. And recommended speakers if you guys want one of these. This is $100 now. If I need on deal for 80, 60. This is pretty good. Stands, different live modes, and if you guys want a turbo speaker here, get this one here. Recommend it. If you guys want a speaker that you can control in the water or bring it anywhere with you, I recommend this one here. Also, it has an app for it as well, so if you guys want to make it sound better or choose anything, it has a built-in app which is called the Music Center app, which used to be called My Pal app. You can change it, EQ, sounds, different type of things. Also, light changes too. You can change the lights here as well. You got 3 sound modes. You got standard, live mode. There's standard sounds. It just flat. It doesn't sound that great. It sounds like literally everything is like nothing, no EQ at all. Like it sounds like under 0. Live mode makes push the vocals and mids out more further. Got the bass down a little bit. It's kind of more, and it makes it more spacious audio and also a little less bass. That's what I think of it. And if I rate it 1 to 10 for this class, I'd give it a 10, not 9.5. I say 9. Give it a 9 here. One thing I do wish they should this should have add a little bit more bass than I really wanted to, but I can't adjust that. But how they sound it for it still sounds great. Sounds clearer than most other speakers in this class, and one of the loudest speakers in this class as well. So off the speakers don't always sound like it's maxed out as well. You can have max volume, it still sounds pretty good. So that's really it. The only thing I don't like about it is sometimes the Bluetooth connection sometimes make it muffles sometimes the time. It's really easy fix. Just need to turn it off, turn it back on. It's an easy fix for me, at least when I have it on. Sometimes it just muffles at times. That's really it. But that's pretty good. IKA will last me over a week when I play this, and this is pretty portable too. Portable anywhere you want it to be. And the drivers, these are 42mm drivers here. I actually pushed it another day, so I got 2 passive radiators, one in the front and one in the back here. These drivers are here, special type of drivers. Really nice. I like it. They also have a mic, and also looks pretty cool though too. If you guys like and subscribe to this video, comment and share. Tell me your thoughts about it and what should I do next with it. I done bass tests, but what else should I do with it? Like drop it or something like that. You can just put it in the video, and I will do it. And I hope you guys like and subscribe and comment. And have a nice day. Bye.